guys, I'm Kayla, the blogger behind My Breezy Room, and today I'm going to show you a few different ways to make your bed and keep it minimal but cozy. So the 4 things that I like to have on my bed are a flat sheet, a duvet and duvet cover, a light quilt, and a throw blanket. And then we also recently upgraded a lot of our stuff, and we got a nice bench to put on the end of our bed, which is really made getting ready in the morning, particularly for my husband who likes to put his socks on the edge of the bed, a lot easier. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can arrange these 4 pieces. The bench stays at the foot of the bed, no worries. And we're going to help you figure out how to make your bed cozy and keep it minimal. My favorite arrangement is actually with the quilt under the duvet, and then I just kind of fold the top of the quilt over the duvet so you can see it. I like this way because at night when I get hot I can just kind of kick the duvet off and I'm left with the thin quilt. I actually really love our quilt. It's one of the things that we upgraded. It's just so smooth, it already feels like butter. I feel like quilts are sometimes one of those things that they get better with time, so I was expecting it to maybe be kind of itchy or something, but it's not. It's just so soft. So I want that one on the bottom, so it's what I'm directly underneath. Even though our linen duvet is actually really soft too for linen. Sometimes it can be scratchy, but this one isn't. So it's fine on its own too. But anyway, this is definitely my favorite setup, and it's how I have it right now. Also, another thing about minimal beds is I think white is definitely the best color. I know you worry about it getting dirty or your kids or whatever, but you can bleach it, you can wash the cover fairly often. I just think it trumps everything, and it makes your bed feel like a cloud, and who doesn't want to be sleeping in a cloud? That's actually been my goal since, I don't know, college. When I got new bedding, I was like, this is gonna be my cloud. Let me show you a picture of what it looked like. It took me a while to get to this point, but I was always right about the white bedding. So anyway, here are a couple other ways you can make your bed and keep it minimal and cozy, and I hope you find one that works for you. So one of the things that we have changed with this bed setup is I got rid of all of the throw pillows. So we have our 2 pillows that we sleep on, these 2 white decorative pillows that you see behind us, and that's it. So I really wanted to create a look that had some more layers so that we didn't lose any of that coziness factor. And also it's nice to have layers for while you're sleeping and the different temperatures, and yeah, it's just made our bed a lot better. Alright guys, that's all I've got. There's all the ways I can think of to make a bed. Alright guys, that's all I've got. Alright guys, that's all I've got for making a minimal cozy bed. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel below, and I will see you next time.